Alright, let's jump right into this. What are we doing today? Automating Kali images. So these will be ISO files that you can use to install on a USB stick um, onto VMs or bare metal. Okay, so two directions. The repo is right here. We can install it on, it's made to be installed on a Kali box, but if you don't have access to that, you have Debian or Ubuntu, it'll work there. So I'm going to show you how to kick off both. So first off, all your packages you'd normally install, you'll use the daily use or the minimal use. Daily use, I just included a lot of things we normally use. And then minimal use, shorter list. Should be smaller packages too. Anyways, okay, so I've already cloned it. Let's pull up the terminal. Okay, and hopefully the text is big enough you guys can see this. I'm taking that input, running with it. Okay, cool. So we're on Ubuntu right now. So let's drop down here. So you'll need this command so you can create your password hash. If you don't have it, you can install it using whois. That is included. So we'll do a make pass. Actually, I think I already got it done. Make pass. There we go. Okay, and we'll just do something simple like test pass. Obviously, you're not going to do this in real life, but there it is. Okay, copy this, open up our pre-seed file, and we're going to jump down to the bottom, scroll just a bit. We are disabling the root user. Let's do this. Just add the hash right there. Okay, now that that's done, we can kick it off. So we're not using Kali, we're using Debian, so we'll start here. And we'll build it. Okay, so while that's running, we're actually going to show the version on Kali as well. So let me pull Kali over here. Okay, same thing here. Make pass 12, and we'll just do another test pass. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. And since we're in Kali, we'll just go ahead and cat the readme. So we're on a Kali VM, so we're just going to build it like this. Oh, that's right. Kali requires sudo. You can't see me typing. Shit. Okay, cool. So we'll let that continue. And then we'll come back once it's done. Alright, we're back. So, as you can see, it's been, I don't remember when the timestamp started, so it's probably been about 10 minutes. Anyways, Docker images are built. Sorry, Docker images are built. Okay. So it pulls Kali rolling. I mean, if you look at the Docker file, you'll see this is our base, and then this is our builder image. Same thing here. Oops, if I can spell Docker images. Okay, cool. So now we move on. Few things to note. We are running this this container as privileged. Be aware, I would not expose that to the internet. Usually with privileged pods, it can lead to a host takeover, things like that. And the other thing I want to call out for the Debian or Ubuntu builds is you are mounting proc. Where are you at? Right here, sorry. Right here. So processes are mounted to the container. So be aware of that if something funky happens. I don't think it's really a good practice, but due to the way processes are spun up, it was just easier to mount the whole damn thing. So yeah, let's move on. Okay. And make sure you're mounting the volume in the correct area. So right now we are just within the repo itself. I need to mute that, sorry. We are in the repo itself. We're gonna create an images directory here. So you can see right here, Kali repo, images. And so that's where our ISO will be mounted and built. So we'll go ahead and kick this off. And yeah, make sure you're doing this on your own free time or where you have a lot of free time to burn, because this is going to take like 30 minutes. So same concept with Kali. Let's cap that README on Kali VM. We're just going to store this in the, I guess, the home directory. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. Cool. We'll go ahead and kick this off. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh, sorry. Verbose. Okay. There we go. Okay, once these finish up, I'll go ahead and show you what the ISO looks like. If I remember right, the build will come out to about 5 gigs in size. But yeah, we'll return once it's done. Alright, we're back. Yeah, so it looks like it's been a few. Anyways, we look here. You can see that your image and logs actually, and size. Okay. Same here. Cool. So I already got one set up, the ISO where it needs to be. So we'll go ahead and just build a virtual machine. This will just show, like, since it's an automated install, you won't have to sit there and push buttons or type things out. You've already done all that. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it is. Okay. So there's our ISO. Let's go ahead and get an image. Oh. We'll just set this to generic. Okay, let's go to default. Nope. Okay. Just label some things so I know to delete it. We'll set it to like 30 gigs. Okay. Alright, and there we go. Okay, and then just scroll on down to install automated, because that's what we created. Hit go. And at this point, everything will be automated to build without any intervention. So once it's done, we'll be back. I'll show you the install. And we're back. Cool, looks like it's done. So yeah, we didn't have to do anything at all. Everything's automated, installed, and ready to go. Okay, yeah, so it looks like we can adjust the display. One more. Cool. I guess that's it. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.